Today's a ripple on a quiet stream. It floats and glimmers like a fleeting dream. Nothing lies in the abyss, just the sun's soft gleam. Yesterday whispers in a faded tone. Tomorrow hums a tune I've never known. Today I'm here, I'm breathing slow. Tomorrow's a seed, I'll let it grow. Yesterday's gone, it left its woe. Time keeps turning round and round, you know. Yes, time keeps turning round and round, you know. Yesterday I wore shoes of worn out leather. It trudged through storms and still very weathered, but left behind a feather that gets lighter as I tether. Tomorrow's a kite with a fragile string. Today's the wind that makes me sing. Today I'm here.